Good morning to all. Today we are discussing about basic digital to analog converter techniques. It means that here we are using the one digital converter circuit for converting the given input digital signal can be converted to analog signal. Okay, and here we are using the two techniques for converting the digital signal to analog signal. Okay, in this the first digital to analog converter technique is binary weighted resistor digital to analog converter, and second one is the R to R ladder digital to analog converter. Okay, with the help of these two techniques, we are converting the given digital input data can be converted to analog form. Okay, and today we are discussing about binary weighted resistor digital to analog converter. Clear? The circuit diagram of the binary weighted resistor digital to analog converter as shown in figure. Okay, this is the circuit diagram of the binary weighted resistor digital to analog converter. Okay, and here we are using the operational amplifier, and we are using the switches. Okay, and additionally we are using the these weighted resistors. Okay, and with help of these components we are construct the this binary weighted resistor digital to analog converter. Okay, and we know that here this operational amplifier can be acting as a inverting adder circuit. Okay, and here we are collecting the output signal from the output to input. We are connecting a feedback path. Therefore this circuit can be acting as a negative feedback operational amplifier. Okay, and here we are giving the digital bit is the input. Okay, so here the each digital bit word we are consider the b1, b2, b3 and b4 bits. For example, here this b1 bit is the most significant bit, and for example this b4 bit is the least significant bit. Okay, and here the each bit is connected to these weighted resistors. Okay, and here the most significant bit is connected to the lowest weighted resistor, and towards the LSB these weighted resistors are twice of the previous resistors. It means that, for example, here the MSB bit is connected to the weighted resistor value is 2R, and next bit, that is B2 bit, is connected to the weighted resistor value is 4R. Compared to the previous value, this value is twice. And similarly, if you are moving from the MSB bit to the LSB bit, the weighted resistor values are twice of this previous resistors. Okay, and for example, if you are moving from the LSB bit to the MSB bit, these weighted resistor values are half of the this previous resistors. Okay, and here our doubt is why we are increasing this weighted resistors from this MSB bit to the LSB bit. Here, with respect to these weighted resistors, we are allowing the lowest current can be allowing in this LSB bit path, and we can allow the maximum current from this most significant bit path. Okay, and with respect to this binary digital input data, these switches are controlled. For example, here this digital bit data is 1 at the time these switches are closed. Okay, and for example, this digital bit data having the 0 information at the time these switches are open, and with respect to these switch positions, these voltages are applied to input of this inverting amplifier. Okay, and here we are connecting them this reference voltage are full scale voltage. With respect to this 2R resistor, in this branch flowing current is I1, and with respect to this 4R resistor, current flowing in this branch is I2. With respect to here 8R resistor, the current flowing to this branch is I3, and so on. In this branch we can assuming the flowing current is IN. Okay, so these all currents are added at this node, and here we will get the total current IT. Okay, this total current IT is flowing from this node to this feedback path, because this current is not entered to this inverting amplifier, because this operation amplifier can be offer them more input resistance. Therefore in this bias current IB equal to 0. Okay, and now we are calculating the output voltage of this binary weighted resistor digital to analog converter circuit. Okay, so as per our understanding point of view, here we are assuming the digital bit word is 1111. It means that the most significant bit B1, and this is B2, and this is B3, and this is the least significant bit B4. So if you are giving the digital bit word is 111, at that time these switches are closed. If these switches are closed, the I1 current is entering to this inverting terminal of this operational amplifier. Okay, and now here with respect to this non-inverting terminal, here we are assuming the node A, and the voltage at this node A is 0 volts. And similarly here we are assuming the inverting terminal node is B, and the voltage at this node B is 0 volts, because according to virtual ground concept, the voltage at the non-inverting terminal equal to the voltage at the inverting terminal. Therefore VA equal to VB equal to 0 volts. Okay, and now we are calculating the output voltage expression of this binary weighted resistor digital to analog converter. Okay, so here all the switches are closed. Now we can apply KCL at node B. Okay, so at that time here this is we can assume the node B, and here also node B, and here we can assume the node B. In between we does not have any resistor. Okay, with respect to this node B, we will get the current equation is I1 plus I2 plus I3 plus I4 minus IT equal to 0. Therefore IT means total current equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3 plus I4. Okay, and now we are individually calculating this branch currents with respect to these values. Then we will get the overall output voltage expression of this binary weighted resistor digital to analog converter. Okay, and coming to the this total current. Okay, so with respect to this node, the feedback current flowing in this direction. Therefore the current IT equal to this potential minus this potential by this resistor, that is VB minus V output by feedback resistance RF equal to, and coming to the I1 current. Okay, in this branch I1 current equal to, here we are assuming the this node voltage is a reference voltage. Okay, this node also we can consider the reference voltage, and this node also we can assuming the reference voltage. Okay, so here the I1 current equal to this potential minus, here the potential is what, VBR. So this potential minus this potential by this resistor, that is VR minus VB by resistance value is 2R. But here we are consider the this digital bit value also, because with respect to this value only the switch will be closed, then only we will get this branch current. So here we are consider this bit value also. So here the bit value is B1 plus, and coming to the I2 current, the I2 current equal to this potential minus this potential by this resistor, and here we are consider this second bit, that is B2 into VR minus VB by 4R plus, coming to third branch current I3 equal to VR minus VB by 8R into B3. So here for example this binary weighted resistor digital to analog converter circuit having the, for example, n branch currents. So here we will get the n branch current is Bn into VR minus VB by 2 power n into R. Okay, and now we can simplify this expression. Here we know that the voltage at this B node is 0 volts or not. So this value we can substitute in above equation. Then we will get the minus V naught by RF equal to B1 into VR by 2R plus B2 into VR by 4R plus B3 into VR by 8R, and so on, Bn into VR by 2 power n into R. Okay, so here we will get the output voltage expression, that is minus V naught by RF equal to, so in this above terms this VR is the common term, then we will get VR by R is common, then we'll get B1 by 2 plus B2 by 4 plus B3 by 8 and so on Bn by 2 power n. Okay, so here we will get the output voltage expression, that is V0 equal to minus Rf by R into Vr into B1 into 2 power minus 1 plus B2 into 2 power minus 2 plus B3 into 2 power minus 3 and so on Bn into 2 power minus n. Okay, for example, here we can assuming the feedback resistance Rf equal to R. At that time, we'll get the output voltage expression of this binary weighted resistor V0 equal to minus reference voltage of B1 into 2 power minus 1 plus B2 into 2 power minus 2 plus B3 into 2 power minus 3 and so on Bn into 2 power minus n. Okay, so here this is where consider the reference voltage or full scale voltage. Okay, so in this way we will get the output voltage expression of this binary weighted resistor. Okay, so in this way we can get the output voltage expression of this digital to analog converter. For example, here we are consider the input digital bit word is 3 bits, that is 0 0 0. Okay, here we can consisting the digital bit word having the 3 bits. Okay, with respect to these 3 inputs bit, we can get the total possible combinations is 0 0 0 2. We will get 1 1 1. Okay, for example, here we are consider the input bits is 0 0 0. At that time we'll get the output voltage equal to what? For example, in this above equation we can assuming the reference voltage equal to, for example, 8 volts. Okay, so these values we can substitute in this equation. We will get the output voltage of this analog signal is minus 8 into this values become a 0, then we will get output voltage equal to 0 volts. So here this is the analog output and this is we can consider the digital input. So here this digital input is given to input of this binary weighted resistor digital to analog converter. So with respect to these values, these switches are open, so these voltages are not given to input of this inverting amplifier and this adder circuit cannot be adding these voltages, then we'll get output voltage equal to 0. Okay, and for example we are giving them another input possible combination is 0 0 1. At that time here MSB bit is 0 and LSB bit is 1. So these values we can substitute in this expression. At that time we will get output voltage equal to minus 8 into this term is 0, this term also 0, and here get 1 by 8 is output, then we'll get the output of this analog signal is minus 1. Okay, and coming to this circuit, if you are giving the input is 0 0 1, at the time this switch is open and this switch also open, only the third switch is closed. With respect to this branch, here we'll get some input voltage is applied to this inverting adder. This adder can be adding these input signals, it can providing output, that output is minus 1 volt. Okay, so in this way we are converting this given input digital signal can be converted to this analog signal. Okay, and next we are discussing the advantages and disadvantages of this binary weighted resistor digital to analog converter, and now we can discussing the advantages. Okay, this binary weighted resistor digital to analog converter is simple construction. Okay, and it will be easily converting the digital signal to analog signal. So this circuit have the fast conversion. These are the advantages. And coming to the disadvantage point of view, it requires a large range of resistors. It means that, for example, here we are consider the digital bit consisting n equal to, for example, 4 bits. So here we are assuming the most significant bit is B1 and the least significant bit is B4. We know that this most significant bit is connected to the low resistor value, that is 2, and this least significant bit is connected to the high resistor value, that value is 8. Okay, if you are keep on increasing this digital input word, okay, at that time this resistor values also increases. If the R values increases with respect to the IC fabrication, in this we will get some difficulties. Okay, so this is we are assuming the one of the disadvantages. Okay, and the second one is requires low switch resistances in transistors. Okay, and third one is can be expensive, therefore usually limited to 8-bit resolution. It means that this binary weighted resistor digital to analog converter can be limited only the 8-bit. Okay, and more than 8 bits were given to input of this converter, we require the large resistance values. Okay, so in this IC fabrication process we will get some issues, so we can overcome these issues. We are discussing about hardware ladder network. Okay, thank you.